here for a last-minute Christmas gift. If you're here, you're either curious or desperate. I can help you with both. Hello! Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi! I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. We've got baking, we've got cooking, we've got art, we've got crafting, we've got stuff with textiles, we've got animation, movie talk, all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. Oh wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Today we are making tea cards. What's a tea card? A tea card is a little card that just has a little bit of a serving of tea and possibly honey or sweetener and a little spoon. That's just a quick, easy, small little gift. Write a little note to your friend on the side and there you go. There, you're done. That's it. You only need a few items. I will show you everything in the video and you'll instantly have a Christmas gift. Whether it's for a friend or a coworker or a family member who just thinks they need a little spot of tea. You can also do this with coffee or hot cocoa. I was inspired by the Posh paper lady once again. Love her. I was inspired by her to make my own version of a tea card. She makes a tea card box, which is really beautiful, and I will link the video down below if you really want to go elaborate, because it's beautiful. But what if you don't have time for that? I decided to do a little spin on her tea card box and make tea cards with Dollar Tree products and a couple from Amazon that are very inexpensive. So, are you ready to make a tea card? Let's go. We are making tea cards, but you can also make coffee cards or hot cocoa cards. So this is just a card from the Dollar Tree. When you open it up, you can write a little note on the side. Here's your little cup of tea. So a little spoon, a little bit of honey, and your tea bag. How easy is that? And you only need a few things. The Dollar Tree has some really beautiful options this year for money holders. So they've got the North Pole delivery. They've got this beautiful Christmas tree. This Christmas wishes with Christmas wishes with the red truck. Season's greetings with a beautiful little snowscape. And of course, the one you saw in the beginning, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. They also had some that looked like they were for kids too, but I just got the pretty ones. So you need one of those. They also have these teeny tiny little silver plastic spoons for catering. You need one of those. You need some tea, any tea of your choice. And then I went on Amazon and I got these for $5, a pack of 20. They are just honey minis. Or you can put in a pack of sugar or whatever you think they like to sweeten their tea with, or their coffee or their hot cocoa, whatever you choose. You're also going to need an X-Acto knife, cutting mat, and tape. And that's it. That's all you need. Well, maybe you need a pen to like write a little message, but other than that, that's all you need. It's really easy. So let's make one together. Okay, for this one, I think I'm gonna go with the red truck. Very classic. So you're gonna get your money holder and you're gonna open it up. Now, the money holder comes with these two little flaps like this. Our tea bag won't fit, nor will our honey packet in these particular little cutouts. So we got to make them just a little bit bigger. That's where the X-Acto knife comes in. Take your tea bag or coffee or whatever you're using. Try to line it up with the middle. And we need it to be as wide at least as the tea bag. So I'm just gonna do a little cut here and a little cut here. And then go across. You are welcome to use a ruler. I probably should be. Okay, so now it should open just a little bit wider for us. We're going to take our tea bag and we're going to put it in the bottom one. And we're going to snug that down till about you see the words, in my case, black tea. But that's about a third of the way from the entire tea bag. To secure it, I'm going to just tape it. Just a little bit of extra security so that the tea bag doesn't slide anywhere, you know? You can use as many pieces of tape as you want. I am a bit of a tape fiend, so I use a lot of tape. But hey, my packages get there in one piece, and my cards, nothing sliding around. So that's our little tea bag. Now we need a spot for the honey. As you can see, there wasn't one, so I had to make one right above the edge of the top of the tea bag. So you could just use the tea bag as a line if you want to, but I am going to get out my little honey mini. And you can do this with your sugar packets or what have you. I'm going to make sure that it's wide enough, but not too wide because I don't want it to fall all the way through. So, just gonna make a little notion here that shouldn't go past there. Okay. Again, you can use a ruler. Again, I'm not going to. Okay, it should have worked. There we go. There's our little opening. Always put away with the cap on all of your X-Acto knives. Now, I'm gonna take our little honey mini. We're gonna slide it down till about here. For extra precautions, you could tape the top if you want to, but I'm just gonna tape the back because I think we're good. You can slide it down a little bit. There we go. This is a good brand, by the way. The only ingredient in here is honey. Okay, now we need our little spoon, because I just think that's darling. And here is our little spoon, and we're just going to tuck that right next to our honey, like so. And then when we fold it up, of course, we're going to write our little note to our friend. And then there we go. How easy was that? Think of how many you could make, how many different flavors of tea. Maybe you could personalize the tea to the person, or maybe even have it go with the card. You don't have to use honey. Of course, like I said, you can use sugar packets or whatever they like to sweeten their drinks with. But I just think the little spoon is a nice little touch. And how easy is that? Now we're just going to put it in our envelope. Here we go, our envelope that came with the cards. And it'll be a little thicker than the envelope likes, but that's okay. It still fits. Look at that. If you want to go one more step, you can always get another nice mug from the Dollar Tree. Stick your little tea packet inside, and now they have the mug and the tea and the nice little note to enjoy a cozy drink. Just an idea. Also, you can add some ribbon inside your card, or tie it around the front to hold it together. Of course, don't forget your nice little note. There's lots of little things you could add that are extra in here. Instead of the honey packet, you could do the cute little honey sticks, or you could add whatever kind of sweetener you like. You could cut more slots and add in all kinds of teas, like maybe 5 different teas or something. That would be really cute too. There are so many great ways to personalize this gift, so be creative. and happy gifting. And there you have a beautiful, easy little tea card for a last-minute gift. I hope this helps you. If it does, if you like this idea, leave me a comment down below. And I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Goodbye.